Here is a flow control module, or FCM. There are 3 flow control modules in the Coca-Cola Freestyle dispenser. There is an FCM for high fructose corn syrup, or HFCS, one for carbonated water, and one for still water. Each FCM has 2 important functions. First, it measures the flow rate. As fluid flows through the FCM, there is a gear meter that measures how fast the fluid is flowing. And second, it adjusts the amount of fluid. There is a variable orifice motor that adjusts the flow rate to match the recipe for the drink that is being poured. There are several reasons why you might need to replace an FCM. These failure modes will be discussed in the troubleshooting chapter of this training. The first step is to open the upper and lower doors and turn the power to the dispenser off. To do this, perform the secret handshake as described in the introduction. The lower door will pop open. Manually open the upper door. Locate the power switch and turn it off. Here are 3 FCMs located above the ellipse. They are always in the same position. This is always HFCS, this is always carbonated water, and this is always still water. The harness is attached at the top. There's a communication light on the FCM which indicates it's active. Each FCM has a yellow tab on the front. This tab is a manual flow tab, so whether there's power or no power, you can always turn this knob and manually open the flow control to let fluid pass through it. Disconnect the wiring harness. Twist counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull on the connector, not the wire. You'll see these white tabs on the bottom of the FCM. These do 2 things. They secure the FCM, and they also turn on and off the fluid. So as this knob is turned counterclockwise, it will disengage the FCM as well as turn the fluid off. So turn this counterclockwise, remove the line from the front, and pull the FCM out. The FCM slides out in a way very similar to any valve on a Coke dispensing system. Remember, anytime a device is removed from the dispenser, there may be some fluid left behind. Always make sure to clean this up before installing a new component. There are 2 O-rings in the back. The O-rings will slide back in this port. There are some locating tabs on the bottom of the FCM that engage into the front locating tab. Set it down into place. It slides in. Now reinstall the carbonated water line into the front and turn the manual flow tab clockwise to re-engage the FCM. As the FCM comes on and pressurizes, it will move a little, but that's normal. Now it's clicked and locked into place. To install the wiring harness, twist and lock the cable into place. Manually run some fluid through the FCM. This tests for proper flow of fluid through the FCM. It also tests for any leaks that may occur inside the cabinet. Remember that as you replace these electronic components, it's critical to let the dispenser start up with the lower door open. The dispenser now recognizes the new FCM.